way across from here in Southeast Asia. Let's just say that. Of course, usually we upload on Saturdays, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But this week I actually was traveling, so just got back and wasn't able to edit a video for you guys. So I just wanted to do a live stream. And I'll just wait for a few of you to just come pouring in. What's up, AC family? Welcome. This is a live stream. Sometimes I do this when I'm unable to edit a video for the week, or if there's just something really super cool that I just want to show you guys. And so, yeah, this week I wanted to show you this truly amazing weaver ant nest. Do you see this? Hi, everyone. Yes, you're all pouring in now. Welcome. Guys, this is a weaver ant nest. The species name is Oecophylla smaragdina, and it's actually way up in this, like, I don't know if this is considered a tree or a tall bush, but look, I'm actually standing way up here. It's kind of dangerous, but that's okay. As always, I'm always trying to get you the best shots. And sorry if it's pixelated. I'm hoping it clears up. Internet isn't too fast where I am currently. You guys might be wondering, okay, what's up with the ant house? It's currently being constructed. Hopefully we'll be moving in just a couple more months. And also, my future streams should be in 4K and not pixelated like this. So apologies if it's kind of blurry. But yeah, these are weaver ants, and if you're new to ants, weaver ants are arboreal ants. This species is native to Southeast Asia and Australia. Over in Australia, they're more green. And ow, one is biting my hand. Sorry, I'm like holding this fence here. They don't have stingers, but they do spray formic acid. So if they manage to bite you, they'll spray you with formic acid, and it kind of hurts. And they're very aggressive. They can see me holding my camera close to their nest. They have very good vision. See them? See those guards on the outside? What's cool about these ants is they're called weaver ants because they take their larvae, and the larvae is the larvae spin silk, and they use that silk to literally glue these leaves together. And it takes a lot of strength because the weaver ants have to cooperatively in a line pull each leaf. Like, this is a pretty firm leaf, right? Well, a bunch of weaver ants just kind of like go along the sides here and pull. They use their legs to pull the leaves together, while other ants go in and start gluing the leaves together. So it's a really, really difficult feat of strength building these. Oh, thank you so much, Happy Ant UK, for the super chat. Feel free to send super chats, guys. I really appreciate it. I forgot to mention that. But yeah, it's really cool. So they create these amazing basket nests from the leaves of trees. Usually these ants here in my country live in mango trees, but here they're just on like a non-fruit bearing tree. It's really neat. I actually didn't know they could nest in these plants. You guys might recognize these plants actually. They're a common house plant. I forget the species name. So yeah, they're pretty cool. And what's awesome about this is because the plants transpire, like they release vapor in order to, for the photosynthesis process. Hello from US. Thank you for the super chat, NL. Their nests inside are perfectly hydrated from the plant. And then also the plant absorbs, sorry, it's probably windy. My apologies. The plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So the inside of these nests are perfectly oxygenated and very humid. It's the perfect environment. for ants, and so it's just an ingenious way of life for these ants. I love weaver ants, and for those of you who are OGs to the channel, you guys might remember the Emerald Empire. Thank you so much for the super chat, Azor Aqua. They make great pets, but they do eat a lot. They need a lot of sweets. They need a lot of insects, soft-bodied insects. Thank you for the super chat, Esreem. Yes. Sorry about the wind, guys. Please bear with me. All right. Again, I am like here, standing high up here. They like to build their nests pretty high. See? I'm currently in a rental home while our ant house is being built. The other ants are there, the Carpenter ants, the Redwood Warriors, Ebony Empire, all down there. Hi, Jay. Oh, thank you so much, Jacob, for the super chat. So yeah, I wanted to try tapping the nest and see if it brings about a response. This is kind of tantamount to throwing rocks at a wasp nest. I don't recommend it. But look, I think that's the entrance right there. Do you guys see it? I think that's the entrance into the nest. Wait, let's see if it'll focus. There we go. See that? All right, let's try tapping the nest. Thank you for the super chat, Sun Bros. I appreciate it. All right, let's try. See, they already can see my thumb. Come on. There. Hi, Corey Baird. Thanks for the super chat. Thank you so much for the super chat, Hog Rider. See, there. No response. They don't care. Now, Nevermore 3193. Thanks for the super chat. These ants are not really considered pests. They like I said, they usually inhabit fruit trees, but they kind of protect the tree from like predators. So most farmers in my country just allow them to nest in the trees. Thank you, AK, for the super chat. Thanks, Ed Tomlinson, for the super chat. You guys are awesome. See that? Now, it's kind of cloudy, so maybe that's why they're not as active. Thanks, Corey, NWF. Ah! I got bit. They found me, guys. So I believe they're traveling along here and along down here. I'll show you guys after. By the way, this here is a... do you guys know dragon fruit? Did you know dragon fruit grows from a cactus? A climbing cactus? Pretty cool, right? Okay. We'll come back to this nest, guys. I want to show you their foraging trail. So from here, thank you, Michael Jenkins, for the super chat. They crawl down this. Thanks, dudes, for the super chat. Wow, you guys are amazing. They crawl down the tree, down here, and I believe they crawl along there. See them? See their trail, guys? This trail here. Now, I promise one day I will film them in 4K with my proper SLR camera, so you guys can see just how awesome their foraging trails are. Thanks, Tim Marturia, for the super chat. And sorry if I missed some of you guys. I'm also trying to keep balance. All right. You guys see them? They crawl along here and they bring food that they've collected. And then they have stations where they just kind of sit around. Like here. They just kind of gather here. This is like their favorite hangout spot. And this ant here is getting defensive. I think it can see me. All right. The foraging goes all the way here. The trail follows this path here. Okay, we're gonna pass more of this dragon fruit. They crawl all the way here. Here's another hangout. See? And then the trail goes all the way up this wall. They crawl all along this ceiling here, catching bugs along the way. All right. And all the way here, down here. Where did they go? And sometimes they're crawling around here, but I guess they've changed their trail. But yeah, their trails like, and there's the nest all the way there. Their foraging trails extend really far. They'll continue down all the way to the front of the house. And as I said before, they're native. They're great for the environment. They eat a lot of insects, pest insects. They're great. Love them so much. Let's head back to the nest, guys. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, just ask. That's what I love these live streams is it's no longer just my voice going, AC family. Today we are going to watch the Weaver ants. This is a two-way street, guys. You can interact with me. It's the beauty of these uh, these live streams. Now, promise in the future, when we move to the ant house, we will have a proper live streaming setup so I can live stream in 4K and we'll have faster internet. Look at them. They are so busy every single day. I'm trying to catch one with food. Actually, you know what? Let's feed them. Here, guys, I'll take you to my stash. All right, come look. So as an update, here are all the Carpenter ants. You guys have been wondering, what happened to the Carpenter ants? They're here. I still have them all. Still thinking about, like, see, remember, this is colony, I believe this is colony 6. Look at how many. There are like 25, and they're eating superworms. So I'm thinking of just releasing them into the woods or perhaps offering them up for the GAN project. Here is Jabba the Hutt. Do you guys remember the horned frog? And the other Carpenter ants. But here is my superworm stash. Let's grab a superworm and see if our weaver ants will eat. I've tried this before and they weren't that much a fan of superworms. I am not too sure what, but let's try. I'm just going to put it, should I put it on their foraging trail or directly on their nest? What do you guys say? Okay, sorry, we're gonna need to like kill this. Thank you, Happy Ant UK. Should I put it in their foraging trail? They're really confused by it. They're not interested. Okay, you guys are saying put it on their nest. Okay, then to do that, I need to sort of kill this. Sorry, I'm not going to show this part. I need to sort of kill it. There. All right, so I chopped its head. And let's see if the weaver ants will take this gift of ours. Okay, but this is dangerous. I need... Woo! I'm kind of risking my life here. All right. Here we go. Shall we? AC family, behold our treat for the weaver ants. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Look at them go. All right. They're attacking it. Okay, I just want them to get a good grip of it before I let go. Okay, they've got the head. What about the body? There we go. Awesome! Success! They accepted our gift, guys. That's amazing. That was easier than I thought. So now they're going to just seize this. The way weaver ants hunt is when it's a large prey like this, they grab it from all sides, then they stretch it to death. Like they'll literally, because their legs are so strong, right, which they need to pull these leaves together when building these nests, they're so strong that they can literally pull insects apart or at least pin them down. So they'll just kind of wait till it's this superworm stops struggling, and then they'll move it into the nest, probably through that opening there. And they'll just eat it, and all of that protein will be awesome for the larvae. It'll help the larvae grow faster. The larvae will be able to produce more silk, and of course the queen will also benefit from all of that protein. She'll be able to lay more eggs and expand on this nest. Now, the way these nests expand is when they need a new room, they'll basically grab another leaf and add to their leaf nest. So this leaf nest will continue to grow and grow and grow. But eventually they won't be able to pull any more leaves. So they'll start making satellite nests and new nests all around this tree. And it's really cool. Like over time, you'll see 2 or 3 of these big ball nests in a single tree, and it's all one colony. Isn't that neat, guys? They are loving that superworm. Yes. Thank you, Bob Business, for the super chat. Really appreciate it. Isn't that just awesome? Love it so much. Feast, ants, feast. Now, when we move to the new AC ant house, I'm definitely going to keep some weaver ants again. I just really miss them. They are an awesome species. Again, they really need a lot of food. So I'm gonna have to start breeding my own insects again. They also love fruit flies. Any soft-bodied small insects, they really, really like. But as you can see, they're loving this superworm. Pretty cool, right? Now there's another species of weaver ant that's closely related from Africa. I believe it's called Oecophylla longinoda or something like that. And they look pretty similar to this. Thank you, Daniel Mores, for the super chat. Man, I would hate to be an insect running into one of these weaver ant nests. Like, that would just be terrible. Pretty awesome, right? Just behind here is a coconut tree. Is this coconut? Yeah, I believe it's coconut. And if you look at the flowers, you'll see lots of native bees visiting. Really great. I believe this is where the weaver ants also get their sweets, from that tree. So this is actually prime real estate for these weaver ants. Good job, weaver ants. You guys are awesome. Mitsunare asks, are there weaver ants in the United States? Sadly, no, there aren't. Oh, they're bringing this head now into the nest. Check that out. Look at all that. Look at all that meat. They're gonna bring that into the nest. Sadly, these ants are not native to the Americas. And ant keepers are definitely always trying to get their hands on these. Even in countries where they're not native, which, of course, as you know on the channel, we don't really endorse. Only keep ants from your area. If you love these ants so much, try moving to the countries they're from, and keeping them will also be much easier. There they go. Like I said, see? They're gonna bring that head into the nest. I guess they've decided that the head is dead. But this superworm, I think they think it's still alive. I really wish I had a camera that could follow these ants into their nest. Soon, guys. I'm always trying to up my tech and up my production equipment. So I'm always researching on what the best macro cameras are, and I know they do have a camera that is like a long rubber sort of tube like thing, but it's not in 4K, so I don't think I could use that. Soon, guys. And I'm also looking into equipment that can record these videos in 6K. So eventually, you guys will be able to watch these videos on the channel and feel like the ants are there. That's my dream. But that's it. Yeah, isn't that cool, guys? I just love these ants. I could sit here all day. We're going on 20 minutes now. I should probably end the live stream. But I know a lot of you out there are ant lovers, just like myself. So, I mean, I'll stay here as long as you guys want to watch. Cool, right? Are there weaver ants in Singapore? Yes, there are weaver ants in Singapore. Singapore is part of Southeast Asia, so yes, definitely there. They're also native to India too. So other parts of Asia you'll find them. Yes. Isn't that great? It's getting windy now. All right, guys. So the wind is picking up, and I think a storm is about to come. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching this live stream. Really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next week for our videos, which will be back on schedule. Thank you so much to the AC Senate as well. Thank you so much, my beloved, trusted AC Senate. And for those of you who'd like to join the AC Senate, feel free to hit that join button. You guys get special perks, including a post a week. I often do AC Senate polls and that kind of thing. Thank you so much, Tim, for the super chat. And we're just kind of like a crew within the crew, so feel free to join the AC Senate. And that's okay if you can't, no problem. You're still AC family and in my heart. Thank you guys so much. It's Ant Love forever.